So guys, I'm super excited for today's video. We have a new RC car, the 1/16th scale E-Revo VXL. We'll be unboxing it and doing some speed runs, and I'll be giving you some first impressions on it. Let's get to it. Before I actually unbox the car though, I need to tell you about how I got this car at RC Country Hobbies. RC Country Hobbies is a hobby shop located in Sacramento, California, which you'll see an address to right there. It's the same place I also got the Bandit, and they've always been super helpful with me picking out new cars, or if my car is broken, they help me out. The people who work there are super friendly and helpful. If you want to get into the hobby and you're ever in Sacramento, California, definitely check them out because they'll be super helpful in giving you information on RC cars or drones or planes. Even if you're not into RC cars, they have tons of other fun stuff there like games and toys. They even gave me this series connector for free to test out how fast it is on 2 nickel metals rather than just one. That's how helpful they are, because this is an $8 part. It's not free. So definitely check them out if you ever get the chance. Now, let's go unbox the car. So we got the RC car right here that we're about to open. We have this front angle right here and also this side angle right here in case I need to show anything more closely. But let's open it. Alright, opening the box. We have a piece of foam. First we have the transmitter, I think, unless I'm mistaken. Look, okay, I'm kind of an amateur at opening stuff, so this is kind of not easy to open. So here we have the TQI transmitter. My first TQI, actually, because the Bandit came brushed, so I still have the TQ for that. So we'll set this aside. I would appear to have opened it up somewhere. But here we have it. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. You have no idea how exciting this is. Aside from that, we have this bag right here. Inside this bag, we have an instruction manual, something about warranty, charging instructions, TQI instructions, warranty registration. Ooh, lots of stickers. That's a lot of stickers right there. High-speed gearing and extra hood pins. More stickers. Lots of stickers. Nickel metal battery. Some tools and a charger. This is the charger that connects to a cigarette lighter, so we won't be using this since we have the other one. But let's focus on the car. You have no idea how excited I am. Like, seriously, you have no idea. So, the shell is connected using hood pins, unfortunately, since it's a 1/16th model, which is slightly disappointing, but I'm fine with that because it's really the car that actually matters. It's a nice shell. Just look at this. Just look at this absolute beauty right here. You have no idea how excited I am about this. It has these inboard shocks. They actually comes with GTR shocks, which I find pretty cool. It has these amazing battery compartments. How that works is you literally just put it inside and you close it. Like, that's really cool. Dude, this is just unbelievable, honestly. So we got the car opened, and you've no idea how excited I am about this. And we're about to charge the battery and try it out. And so we got the nickel metal battery charging now. The transmitter does require 4 AA batteries, so we'll just put those in there and take it out for a spin now that the battery's charged. So I haven't actually been filming for the last few days because I've just really been enjoying this for myself. If I'm honest, I was a little disappointed with how it did on nickel metal hydride. It didn't seem very fast to me. So then I tried it on 2S. I also calibrated the ESC and I turned down the TSM like this. And one of the other must have worked because it went way faster after that, or at least it seemed like it did. It's an absolute beast on 2S, and it really needs a wheelie bar for the front and rear, as you'll see in these two clips. So now Nathan's going to come over and we're going to see how fast it is on 1 nickel metal, 2 nickel metals, and a 2S LiPo. So we're first going to be doing a speed run using this single nickel metal battery. Again, we'll be telling the speed like we did in the last video with Nathan Carlson's GPS. You should definitely check out his channel, by the way, in case you didn't know already, but let's put this in there and see how fast it goes. GPS has started, so single nickel metal battery. Oh yeah, it's faster on this.
I'm gonna say that's a little slow, not gonna lie. It's not bad.
It's better on this. Or at least it feels better on this. Alright, it's not gonna get any faster than that, so let's
take a look. Okay.
And we have...
Okay, stop. Read 24, not bad.
Oh, that's surprising actually. Somehow I expected a lower number than that.
Okay. I'm going to...
Better than I expected, although it is supposed to go 30, so still kind of disappointing. Anyways, on to 2S. Starting the GPS for 2S, track start. Ready?
I am indeed ready. Okay, I'm gonna set this right here. Footage. There you go. Oh, that's a lot better.
Yeah.
That's a lot better. Oh, bro, self-ride it. Self-ride it. Oh, that was close. All right, let's see what that was. Okay. Stop, read 28. Not bad.
So for 2 nickel metal batteries, we need to install the high-speed gear, which actually gears it down so that it doesn't overheat the motor. So let's do that right now.
So guys, right now I am filming Calvin's car. Subscribe to my channel, please. I'd appreciate it. Thank you.
So we're gonna go ahead and do this.
start. Okay.
All right, we got the GPS going for 2 nickel metals. Let's see how this goes.
Set full throttle. And we're laughing fast. My guess is 42. 37. My guess is 37. Yeah, bring it over.
Yes.
Okay, there you go. Stop. Read. 39. Neat. I bet you I can beat you. Can I beat you? No. Okay,
all right, now Nathan's having a go.
Okay, so track, start. Here we go.
There's no way it's gonna get faster than I was going. I was full throttle for a solid 5 seconds. It's a TQI radio. All right.
Let's see what we got.
Now we'll read the GPS.
My guess is I got 40. Okay. Okay. Stop. Read. Oh snap! I beat Calvin.
How much did you get?
40. I beat him by 1 mile an hour.
I probably got 39.9 and you probably got 40.00001. So now we're gonna try jumping and off-roading just a little bit. This isn't everything, because in the next video we're gonna do a durability test at a skate park. Woo! So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that, but we're just gonna do some jumping just to get some first impressions on how good it is.
Almost. There we go. We're off to a good start already. Slipped over. Slipped over. What happened? Okay. Bam. And let's try this little thing.
Like 40 isn't even close. I mean, that's a whole 10 miles per hour off.
Yeah. Try this little thing. Oh, nice, bro. Controls in the air now. That's a big step up. That's awesome. All right. On 3, I think I definitely pull backflip off there.
This is probably pretty close to 3, actually.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna try to do a backflip. I don't think it's gonna work, but...
Oh, might have.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think it has.
If it was like a slightly bigger jump, it probably could.
Oh, snap.
Oh,
Okay,
you
so
actually did it.
it. Barely able to reach it out.
Here, can I try it now?
Go for it. I would say don't land on the throttle like I did. We gotta go for the big side. Yeah, not even close. I wonder which side's better. Yeah, this side's more steep. Do this side. Oh, it was close. It was. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh man, that's so cool though. This RC car can do backflips.
So, I don't know if this happened while I was recording or not, but yeah. One of the A-arms broke. It's getting it now! So we're just gonna do like a few more jumps and backflip sort of stuff because it is broken, but
It's not that bad.
yeah.
It'll work. It's got 2 sets of A arms on there, man. It's got 7 of the 8
Can
working.
it break more?
Probably.
Alright, let's try for one more backflip.
Okay. Nice.
I got this replacement A-arm right here, so we're gonna chuck that on and do a few more jumps, try to land a few more backflips onto us. So I'm also gonna gear it back up, which I'm not gonna show because you've already seen me gear it down.
Yep. Apparently, Calvin figured out how to do a backflip, and it's working now. So yeah, that's a.
I'm not guaranteeing anything, but it's doing better than it was earlier.
Yeah, that's it. Bro. Bro. 3 in a row.
I've done that to you. And that's not far enough.
You're getting that. Bro, you're just like better than me. Okay. Trust me, I know how to do it now.
So that's like
That was better.
that's like your best attempt so far. Now that I figured it out.
Annoying.
Yeah, I'm super excited that I have a car that I know how to do backflips with now. It's really nice because I can't do that with the Bandit. Overall, I really like this car so far. I did get RPM front A-arms for it because that seems like it's really a weakness. But other than that, I can't think of many things that aren't good so far. I'm really excited about this RC car. Make sure to subscribe because the next video is going to be the durability test for it. We're going to be taking it to the skate park and bashing it. And we're going to see what other weaknesses there are other than the A-arms. Now that there's RPM A-arms, I think you should definitely do that if you're going to get this. Get RPM A-arms right away because they break all the time, it seems. That's all for today's video. Subscribe so you don't miss the durability test and more similar videos in the future. See you next time.